Hey guys, so in this quick video here we're going to see how to do some of the calculations that we need to do in the data table here for our daily log as we're trying to measure the difference in mass by our larvae in the cup that it's growing, all that good stuff. Okay, so here I want to find the control daily mass loss. So this is my control cup. So how much did it lose from day 1 here to day 2? Now all this data here is just data that I made up. Okay, so don't think that your data needs to look like this. I made this up. Okay, so use your data. So again, I'm going to have the spreadsheet do the work for me. Okay, so I'm going to type in the equal sign, and then I'm going to click the first day minus the second day. Okay, and then for the next one, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm doing the second day minus the third day. So equals, and then second day minus third day. Okay, now what I can do is I can highlight both of these cells and grab that little square here at the bottom. Okay, because that is a signal that I can establish a pattern. Since I'm going to be doing the same thing every day, instead of typing it out, I can just drag it all the way down here, and it does all the calculations for me. Okay, now for consistency's sake here, I can keep everything to 2 decimal places, and there you go. All my answers should have 2 decimal places now. Okay, so by using these buttons over here, I can make it have more decimals or less decimals. All right, I'm going to do the same thing here. The mass lost by the larva. Okay, so day 1 minus day 2. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing. Day 2 minus day 3. It looks like I did something wrong. Equals day 2 minus day 3. Nope, that's right. We're just going to keep the data as it is. So that's what happens when you make up your own data. Sometimes that happens when you don't make up your data. That's what your data actually says. So there you go. I got all my calculations done in just a second. And then finally, for the last one here, larva daily mass loss minus control. Okay, so I'm going to have the larva minus the control loss. And then I'm going to take that little square there, and I'm just going to drag it to the bottom to establish my pattern. Okay, and then I can tell what the difference is between all of these. Okay, and that's all you do for that first part.